Arabic Alphabet Part 1, Lesson number 3. Today I'm going to introduce to you the next 6 letters below. So let's get into it. Lesson number 3 will introduce you next 6 letters, starting with the letter C. Sin. This letter that you see there on the board is sin. Sin. Then we have the letter after sin called Shīn. So that's Shīn. Shīn. The difference between the two, the Shīn has got 3 dots on top. Then we have sword. Sword. Then comes Vod. Vod. Now, the difference between the two, Vod has a dot on top. Then we have Toa. Toa'un. Toa. Then we have Va. 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 Va'un. The difference between the two, the Va has got a dot on top. This is very, very important. Okay, now let's see the examples of how these letters sound in English. Right, we are starting here with the letter Sin. So as you can see, Sin is pronounced Sin, and it's like an S in English. S in English. Then Shīn. So Shīn, as you can see here, so it's pronounced as Shīn, and it's SH. Sh. Then you have sword. Swords, pronounced as sword. Sword, which more like also S. So the pronunciation between sword and sin almost similar. So we need to know these differences. Then we have void. So void with a dot on top. Now it's pronounced as dod. Dod. Void. It's similar to D, but with a mixture of W after D. So like dod. And to, which is similar to T, pronounced sound like T. But this one here, it's pronounced as to, similar to the T, but with a W. To. And we have va. So you can see that the va and the va here and the void, they are much, much similar. This is void with a D at the end. And this is va, just va, similar to Z. You know, va, as you can see here, is pronounced as va, DHA, va. So it's very, very important to identify these dots and markings on top or underneath our Arabic letters, because they really mean quite a different thing altogether. Now let's recap lesson number 3. All right, so I want you to repeat after me. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, dal, ra, zay, sin, shin, swad, dwad, to, dwa, ain. Again, alif, ba, ta, tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Swad, Wad, Ta, Dha, Ain. All right, guys, we have come to the end of this lesson of today, lesson number 3. I would like to see you again in the next coming lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe. Wassalamu alaikum.